you know why you hiccup? Hiccups happen when the muscles in our throat and chest suddenly tighten. Hiccups normally occur if you eat or drink too much or too fast. Most hiccups disappear in a few minutes, but sometimes an attack may last for several hours. Different cures are sudden shock, holding your breath and trying to sneeze, and dropping a cold key down the back of your neck. Hiccups can sometimes lead to complications. A really bad attack can starve the body of oxygen and can even lead to death. Please like, share, and subscribe